Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Red Dead Redemption game crashing, crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So without wasting the time, here follow the fixes. The first fix includes step 1, 2, 3 and 4. After following all the 4 steps, you can check if your problem is fixed or not. However, you can also check your problem is solved or not after following each steps. So here we go. Step 1, make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Step 2, clear Red Dead Redemption's cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for Red Dead Redemption game and highlight it. Then press menu and then select manage game and add-ons. Then click on save data reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile. Make sure you click delete from console when deleting it. Step 3 is to clear persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see this feature in your Xbox console, then skip these steps. Step 4, clear alternate MAC address. Go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. Now after following all 4 steps, now launch Red Dead Redemption game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2, remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts, select the account that you want to remove, select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now re-add your account. After adding your account, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings, then select alternate port selection and then click on manual. Now click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5, continue. Now restart your console and then check if the problem is solved or not. If not, then select the port one by one and see which one works for you. Fix 4 is to run Red Dead Redemption from store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. To do this, type Red Dead Redemption in the search bar and then click on it and then click on launch game and check. Fix 5 is to change DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings, in the general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings manual. Now enter 8.8.8.8 for primary DNS and enter 8.8.4.4 for secondary DNS. And then save it and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then again relaunch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. And the last solution is to reinstall Red Dead Redemption game. So if nothing seems to work, then the last solution is to uninstall Red Dead Redemption game from your Xbox, then fresh reinstall it, then launch the game and check if it fixes your issue or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Red Dead Redemption game crashing, crashes at a startup, not launching, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.